If you think your passwords are safe, think again. Here's how Lisa's credentials were stolen through 5 devious tactics. First up, social engineering attacks. Hackers pretend to be trusted sources. Lisa got a phishing email from a bank asking her to verify suspicious activity. She clicked and boom, her login was stolen. Next, malware. Lisa downloaded what looked like a legit font package. Surprise, it was malware that logged her keystrokes. Brute force attacks come next. Weak passwords like Lisa 2020 are a hacker's dream. Automated tools cracked her password in minutes. Then there are data breaches. A hacked social media site exposed Lisa's reused password. One breach, multiple accounts compromised. Finally, purchased credentials. Lisa's stolen account was sold on the dark web along with thousands of others. Easy pickings for cybercriminals. So, how can you stay safe? Be wary of unexpected emails, use strong and unique passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, keep your software updated, and monitor your accounts. Stay vigilant, stay safe.